The only change some indigenous Black people seek from the beast system is equality. They want to be accepted into the beast culture. If it wasn't for discrimination and racism in the beast system, some indigenous Black people wouldn't have a problem submitting to Satan's kingdom in the flesh. The indigenous Black people fight for equality instead of freedom. Fighting for freedom indicate the indigenous Black people would have to become independent and take responsibility for their communities. A lot of indigenous Black people are comfortable being in the heathen nations. That is why they want equality over freedom. Satan has deceived many indigenous Black people to trade their glory for the lesser. Israelites and indigenous Black people, whatever gift or blessings Satan give you in the beast system, the wealth, land, culture, power, and fame belong to you when the Most High gave you dominion. Satan repackaged the so-called gift and blessings to deceive you. Remember, the serpent seed stole everything they own. The scripture said the thief come only to steal, kill, and destroy.